All right, this is another way of looking at the problem on page 145. Read the problem if you haven't read it yet. Pause the video and read the problem at the top of page 145 so you're familiar with it. I have another video on this that goes into detail in terms of the model, but here's the simplified version of it. You have bikers, two walkers with a ratio of 3 to 4. And then you also have the walkers being part of a ratio of 12 to 7. So the walkers is also 12, and then this is going to be your bus. So there's two different ratios going on here. You got this ratio and this ratio. Now how do I go from 4 to 12? I multiply by 3. So because this is like a fraction, this ratio, I can just multiply both numbers by the same and I get equivalent ratios. So 4 times 3 is 12, 3 times 3 is 9. So here's my three-way ratio, three different quantities. And then, of course, I still add up those three quantities and get 28. And since there's 560 students divided by 28, each unit is worth 20. So bike is equal to 9 times 20, or 180 bikers. Walkers is equal to 12 times 20, or 240. And bus is 7 times 20, or 140 students.